Hi guys, in this live video I will work on this project where this client website is facing layout issue, like some content went missing, and you can see that there are a lot of content is not showing. And if we try to access the WP admin, it's showing this critical error. Okay, and if we check the inner pages, so the content is missing on those pages as well. So so in this live troubleshooting I will try to fix this issue, and while doing so you will also learn the process how to go about it and fix the issue. This process will help you to debug such cases in future while working on your client projects. So follow the step that I do to resolve such cases. Okay, so first we need to log into the WordPress. So as you can see, currently it is returning this critical error, so we need to fix it fast. So I opened the cPanel file manager from my hosting dashboard. So from here I will edit the wp config file of my site, and then I will open the editor and enable WP debug mode, so which will help us as to give more information about the error. So I'll type it to true and it will enable the WP debug mode. Okay, so after that hit the save changes button, and now let's refresh the page, and you can see it's now giving us some error, more details about the error. So here is the fatal error that actually breaking the login page. So if you look at closely, that it's actually causing due to charitable plugin. So I will also take a screenshot of this so I can show it to my client, that from where the issue is coming from. And now since the issue is coming from charitable plugin, we'll go to WP content and find that plugin. So here is the plugin. So now we will rename this plugin and it will be deactivated. Okay, so let's rename it and hit the refresh button. So right now I'm taking a screenshot for my client, so I can show them why this error is occurring. I didn't recorded my audio while troubleshooting this, so you may find some places where my voice is missing because I recorded the audio later on. But in any case, if you follow the screen, you can see right now we have the fixed the fatal error, but now the some notice showing is actually not cause any issue. So I will now disable the WP debug mode by writing false, and if I refresh the page now, you can see the login page is back. Okay, so now this login might not work because it's probably expired. I will log in from Bluehost directly, and it will take me to the WP dashboard. Since the login page is now working, so I can get into WP dashboard without any issue. So yeah, we are now inside the WP dashboard. Okay, so from here we'll go to plugins, and we'll look for that charitable plugin, and here you can see it's now deactivated as we rename it the plugin. Now we will rename it back to its original name, and then we'll refresh WP dashboard. After that, now we will update the plugin. So since this plugin was causing the issue, it probably required by the theme as well. So they are using a non-profit theme, a non-profit niche theme. So that theme probably required this plugin. Okay. So now we're gonna update this plugin and activate it, and we'll also look for any plugin that probably related to the content, like display issue, the content broken issue. But first let's since we updated the plugin and it's not showing any error now, so that means the issue was fixed, and especially the critical error issue. We can safely say that the critical error issue is now fixed, as the website backend is now loading fine. And also for the front end we'll come back later, but yeah, the admin bar is also showing now, but as you can see that the inner page is not fixed, so that probably due to another plugin which this theme may require. So I'll now go to the plugin list and look for any other plugin that probably disabled and which caused the content. Here you can see it's showing the just the short code, not showing the and styled content. So this is probably coming from a theme, and if we look for all the sorry, it's probably coming from a plugin, and if we look in the plugins, we may find a plugin that probably disabled. So here you can see it's coming from a theme, this plugin. So let's verify it's coming from the activate theme that this site is using. So yeah, this is coming from this theme, and since it's a theme, this theme is rely on this plugin, so it must need to activate it, otherwise this content will not be displayed. So yeah, it's probably the client probably disabled it by mistake, so I will take a screenshot for the client to show it was disabled, and then I will activate this plugin. After activating this plugin, I hope the content will be now back. So let's refresh the page. So yeah, it's now back, and let's check other pages. So I guess this about page has nothing to do, and for the home page all the content is now loading fine, everything as before. If we check some other pages, like program page is loading also fine, and the donate page, I think this one doesn't have any content but from the beginning, and the contact page is also loading fine. So yeah, we successfully uh, resolved this issue on this live project, and this live troubleshooting. So I recorded this video so you can understand how I go about troubleshooting any website if it's facing any critical error, or if there is any issue that occurred suddenly. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching, and do remember to disable the debug mode that you enable it in the first scenario. Make sure you disable the WP debug mode after fixing the issue, otherwise it may cause it may display various PHP notice on the front end, which might be not a good experience for your client. So make sure to disable the WP debug mode. So thank you, have a great day, bye bye.